Remember, the blower motor for the 2010 Honda Civic is going to be on the passenger side kickboard.
Alright. Got power, we're good. Let's mount this in there.
There's 3 torques holding the fan up. Hold the fan and then place the screws in place. Start one. Fan should stay up there pretty secure until you could get your driver into screw them in. Pretty simple. Don't ask me what was going on my driver. Just couldn't get a good grip on it. Bear with me.
Nice.
This is about the time you hook up the wire connection. Make sure it's secure, has a little clip on it. Make sure it locks in real good.
There we go. Check all the speeds. All right.
Now you're gonna get your plastic beauty cover and line up the plastic clips, locking pins, and pop it in place, and you're done with your job. And don't forget to clean up.